Over the time that we've worked with horses, we've realized that one of the greatest difficulties has been maintaining the riding arena's moisture. That's why I began to analyze and study how I was going to do this more efficiently, because there were some people that made this with a water tank, which takes a lot of work. You have to have a person on a tractor with a tank in the back. It's expensive. Plus, you cannot get good uniformity by applying water like that. So, doing research, I found that the solution was to install an irrigation system. During this research, we managed to find that Mini-Wobbler sprinklers are excellent for delivering full coverage instantly. That's how I've been able to keep the perfect humidity of my riding arena. Here, let me show you. A dry paddock has an abrasive texture, so the horse has to make effort. Here, the sand is dry on the top and the base. If you come to the wetter area, the sand holds together, is agglutinated like a cushion. Therefore, the horse makes less effort and can perform much better. That has made a big difference. We initially tried other sprinklers with fine droplets, but they weren't able to moisten the soil evenly. They only moistened the top. That's why, in our case, our dealer recommended Mini-Wobblers with number 6 nozzle, so that when the water hit the soil, it'll penetrate the soil more easily. Consequently, when it starts to get a little dry on the top, the bottom is still wet, which results in less abrasive soil. Having the perfect soil moisture makes our lives much easier because you get the ideal temperature in the area, so the training quality improves to the point where you can work the whole day comfortably and get a lot more done. Plus, the trainers are also able to have a much better quality of life. All this work has been done together with Senninger, and we're getting fabulous results.